Hello everyone. I am Johnson. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Are you feeling puzzled about the issue of your laptop? Do you want to get an affordable solution for fixing the issue? Then your nearby Apple authorized service provider is ready to offer you full repair service. iTech Xpress provides diagnostic services including system upgrades, replacement of drives, such as SSD, hard drives, and other components. The company offers branded parts while there is a necessity of replacement. Get more information regarding their services, visit iTechXpressinc.com. Otherwise, you can call the professionals at 626-777-4747. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.